सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो इस सीरीज़ में हम जनरल अवेयरनेस एंड एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज़ पढ़ेंगे। हिमाचल टेट की 2024 सीरीज़ है और सेकंड पार्ट है ये प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट का। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। 121 इन विच डायरेक्शन ऑफ पंजाब हिमाचल प्रदेश इज़ लोकेटेड इन वेस्ट। 22 हु लेड द प्रजामंडल सत्याग्रह ऑफ मार्च 1947 इन द princely state of Bushire is Satyadev Bushiri. 123 who was the leader of Prajamandal movement in Jabal state is Bagmal Sota. Sechuton Nala Wildlife Sanctuary is located at Chamba. On which of the following dates did Himachal Pradesh become a full-fledged state of the Indian Union? Is 25th Jan 1971. Who among the following was first late governor of Himachal Pradesh? Is Himmat Singh. Sisu fair is celebrated by Buddhists. Which of the following valley is famous for Valley of Gods? Is Kullu. Which one of the following articles were called the heart and soul of Constitution by B.R. Ambedkar? Is Constitution. Article 32. Which country joined International Solar Alliance as the 102nd member? Is Antigua and Barbuda. 131. Where was the meeting of the Joint Task Force Committee of India-Indonesia Investment and Business Forum held on 20 December 2022 in Port Blair? Among the following, which country has emerged as the top lender to crisis hit Sri Lanka in 2022? Is India. The fifth Defence Minister Dialogue (DMD) between India and Singapore was held through video conferencing. What is the currency of Singapore? Singapore dollar. Who has recently, in June 23rd, won the Formula 1 F1 Canadian Grand Prix 2023 held in Montreal, Quebec? So answer is Max Verstappen. Dash is officially the state sports of Goa is football. Who was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Bal Sahitya Puraskar in Mandipur language for the year 2023? Is Dilip Nogamatham. The Department of Revenue and Forest Maharashtra has issued a notification declaring the area as Tilara Conservation Reserves. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Is Tilari Conservation Reserve is the first conservation area in Kohalapur district. Which of the following city is popularly known as Silicon Valley of India? Bangalore. Which of the following amendments of Constitution of India grants a constitutional statute to Panchayati Raj system? Is 73rd Amendment. Where did Gandhiji put in his first major public appearance after returning from South Africa in 1915? 1915 is Banaras Hindu University. 141. During 1931, under whose leadership did a strong Kisan Sabha movement develop in the Gaya district of Bihar? Yadunanand Sharma. With reference to the evolution of Earth's atmosphere, consider the following statement. The earliest atmosphere of the Earth is believed to have been composed of primarily hydrogen and helium. Outgases from volcano led to predomination of water vapor in Earth's atmosphere. Permanent gases in the current atmosphere include nitrogen, ozone and water vapor. Which of the following above is correct? A and B is correct. Dash is structural and functional unit of biosphere. Ecosystem. Endemic species are found exclusively in particular regions. Which of the following is a President's Organic Population (POP) DDT? In which year the Forest Conservation Act was passed? In 1980. Dramatization is considered as a good method for teaching learning of EVS for slow learners, which is the most appropriate reason for selecting dramatization for them. Traditional drama techniques make it easy for them to relate a concept. Yes. Interact drama stay with students' memory for long. Slow learners enjoy acting a lot. No. A and B. 148. As an EVS teacher, which of the following factor will you consider while planning a group activity for your class? So A, B, D is incorrect. So obviously answer is A. 149th. EVS curriculum is based on themes because themes allow to connect and interrelate understanding of the environment of students. Last question. Which of the following type of learning is appropriate in EVS classes? Is learning by doing, learning of descriptions, learning of definitions, discouraging rote learning. So answer is B. Thank you so much. If you like